Jessica and Jason were living in a 3-bedroom home with their 4 kids and a dog. After renting for 4 years, they knew it was time to move again. But this time, they wanted a home of their own.
We wanted a more solid foundation. We are a growing family. We have a 4th child that was coming, and we wanted something more permanent, so that's why we decided to buy our home.
Once they found the home of their dreams, Jessica and Jason started to search for the perfect mortgage.
We've had 2 mortgages in the past, and it took a really long time, and we just expected that this time around as well.
Glenn Costa is a specialist in home loans and refinancing, and he understands the importance of getting a mortgage approved quickly.
When a borrower is looking for a mortgage, they know exactly what they want. They're looking for a lender that's going to provide the explanation and get it done for them.
Jessica and Jason went with Cash Call Mortgage, a company that specializes in low-interest mortgage loans and home refinancing for borrowers with good credit.
I was extremely surprised with our process this time around. It was less than 30 days, and my husband called me and said, "Hey, we got the house." And I was like, "Wow, we got the house that quick." So it was a nice surprise.
The loan process these days is very quick. Technology helps reduce the cost and the speed to approval of the process these days. You're able to start a process and finish it within 3 weeks, get approval within minutes online. It's very simple.
We filled out our application online. An agent called us back and basically explained the whole process to us, and it was a real simple process that we went through.
A lot of people hoping to own a home are reluctant to try because there's still so much confusion about who can qualify for a home mortgage.
The biggest misconception to consumers is that mortgages are intrusive. You have to have a lot of money in the bank, you have to have a great credit score, guidelines are very strict, and you have to show your entire financial life in order to qualify. Very untrue. Qualification and guidelines are not as strict as most believe, and to qualify, you could show very few documents. Just need to work with the right company.
Glenn also believes that the lending process shouldn't be complicated or confusing.
Consumers' main concern in a mortgage or refinance are high interest rates, bad customer service, long turn times to finish loans. It shouldn't be that hard. You can definitely get these things done very, very quickly and understand the process. It's not as difficult as it used to be.
This time around for our mortgage experience, it was all about comfort. We were comfortable from the beginning to the end, and that's all that mattered to us, is us getting that comfort level and having it an easy process to go through.
People have choices. It's very easy to find a company to quote you a rate and offer you a refinance or a mortgage. It's very hard to find a company to fulfill that these days. Be wary of upfront costs and leave the onus on the company to provide everything for you before you commit. You should feel comfortable with who you're working with.
Current mortgage rates are still at historic lows, giving home buyers another advantage.
Now is a great time to take advantage of the mortgage market. Rates are at near all-time lows, and you never know until you're pre-approved what you qualify for.
Excited about the rate we got. My husband and I were looking online at all the different rates, and I'll tell you, we got the best rate. We got the best rates you can ask for.
Low interest rates means it's a perfect time to refinance your home, too.
Consumers are refinancing for a number of reasons these days. Cash out, debt consolidation, home improvement. With rates as low as they are and as easy as it is online, there's no reason not to try and jump in the pool.
Whether you're looking for a refinancing loan or a home mortgage, securing it may be easier and more affordable than you think.
I absolutely love our new home. My husband tells me this is going to be our forever home. This is our home for our children, and I don't ever want to move. I don't ever want to buy another house, so I'm very happy.
To find out more about low-interest mortgages and refinancing loans, go to cashcallmortgage.com/DSTV. For more information or to view this story again, visit designingspaces.tv.
You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.